Hello and welcome to Robert's Leadership Hub, a hub for leadership development. I believe that everybody can become a leader as long as they acquire the necessary skills that are needed for somebody to develop to become a leader. So Robert's Leadership Hub is a hub where leaders are made. Follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube, and all our social media handles. You are very free to follow us and to learn a lot from us. Today I want to speak about a very important topic: leading through difficult times, leading through turbulent times. Who is that kind of leader who remains as a role model to you? Who is that kind of leader whom you know led during turbulent times? Because during tumultuous times, difficult times, this is when the mettle of a leader is tested. This is when the true truthfulness of a leader, the honesty of a leader, the integrity of a leader is seen. When leaders face difficult times, the ability to navigate through those complexities is what defines leadership. Therefore, today I want to talk about one most important thing that you must have in your life. You must have the tenacity of hope and the ability to lead during difficult and turbulent times. That is the courage to lead. You must have the courage to lead and the confidence to challenge whatever situation, whatever adversity that you confront. The most important thing that you need in order to give yourself energy, you just need to think about those people who can inspire you. For example, people like Mandela. Mandela went to Robben Island for 27 years. He exercised what we call resilience, which is the capacity of a leader to withstand difficult times. This is when the leaders are cast into the furnace, the impurities are removed, and they become as pure as gold. So it's a process which each and every leader goes through. A leader will go through turbulent times, will go through difficult times when the mettle is being tested, where they are going to be navigating through complexities. And sometimes leaders are forced to move through uncharted territories. They are forced to come up with some solutions to problems that have never been seen before, especially when adversity confronts them. So this is what really defines the art of leadership. Leadership is about being a problem solver. Leadership is all about confronting whatever challenge, depending with the resolve that you have, the courage that you have as a leader. It is the same courage that drives you and propels you to confront any challenge of any nature, whether it's your first time to navigate through such complexities. You can always conquer that problem because you have got the courage to lead. So I leave you with this same message. You must have the courage to lead, even during turbulent times. Even when things seem to be totally impossible, leaders always find solutions to whatever problem is. So challenges are the leaders' muse, because they know that behind the challenges, there are opportunities. Even in the business world, where you see the challenges, the opportunities lie behind. Once you transform those challenges or problems, you turn them into opportunities that can make your business grow. So you must have the courage to lead.